Imagine this: emerald green rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see, towering limestone cliffs jutting out from turquoise waters, bustling cities pulsing with energy, ancient temples whispering tales of centuries past. This is Vietnam. From the soaring mountains of the north to the fertile plains of the south, Vietnam is a feast for the senses. Each region boasts its own distinct charm. The people, the food, the landscapes, they all weave together to create an unforgettable tapestry. So what are you waiting for? Let's pack our bags and embark on an adventure to uncover the best of Vietnam. Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, is a city that wears its history on its sleeve. Ancient temples stand side by side with French colonial architecture. The scent of strong coffee and pho, the national dish, fills the air. Life spills out onto the streets. It's chaotic, charming, and utterly captivating. Start your Hanoi adventure in the Old Quarter. This maze of narrow streets is a sensory overload. Street vendors hawk their wares, motorbikes zip through the crowds, and the aroma of street food is intoxicating. Be sure to try the bun cha, grilled pork with vermicelli noodles, a Hanoi specialty. No trip to Hanoi is complete without a visit to Hoan Kiem Lake. This tranquil oasis in the heart of the city is perfect for a morning stroll or an afternoon escape. For a glimpse into Vietnam's history, head to the Temple of Literature, Vietnam's first university. Hanoi will leave you wanting more. Prepare to be mesmerized by Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thousands of limestone islands rise dramatically from the emerald waters. These islands, sculpted by wind and water over millions of years, are a sight to behold. Hop on a traditional junk boat and cruise through this surreal landscape. Explore hidden caves adorned with stalactites and stalagmites. Swim in the crystal-clear waters. Kayak through secluded lagoons. Every turn reveals a new and breathtaking vista. As you glide through this mystical bay, it's easy to see why Ha Long Bay is considered one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Spend a night on a boat to truly experience the magic of Ha Long Bay. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the islands, you'll feel a world away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Wake up to the sound of birdsong and the gentle rocking of the boat. Ha Long Bay is a place where you can reconnect with nature and lose yourself in the moment. Hue, the former imperial capital of Vietnam, is a city steeped in history and culture. Located on the banks of the Perfume River, Hue was once the center of Vietnamese political and religious life. Today, the city is home to a wealth of historical monuments, including the Imperial City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Step back in time as you wander through the grand palaces, temples, and tombs of the Imperial City. Imagine the emperors and mandarins who once walked these hallowed grounds. Marvel at the intricate carvings and colorful decorations that adorn the buildings. The Imperial City is a testament to the grandeur of Vietnam's imperial past. No visit to Hue is complete without a leisurely boat trip down the Perfume River. As you glide along the water, you'll pass by ancient pagodas, lush rice paddies, and charming villages. The gentle breeze carries the scent of incense and frangipani flowers. Don't miss the Thien Mu Pagoda, one of the oldest and most beautiful pagodas in Vietnam. Hue offers a glimpse into Vietnam's rich past. Step into a bygone era in Hoi An, a charming town on the central coast of Vietnam. Once a bustling trading port, Hoi An has retained its old-world charm. The town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its narrow streets are lined with colorful merchant houses, ancient temples, and bustling tailor shops. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleys of Hoi An's ancient town. Admire the well-preserved architecture, a blend of Chinese, Japanese, and Vietnamese influences. Browse the shops selling silk lanterns, ceramics, and other handicrafts. Stop for a coffee or a bowl of Cao Lao, a Hoi An specialty. As evening descends, Hoi An is transformed into a magical wonderland. The streets are illuminated by thousands of colorful lanterns, casting a warm glow over the town. Take a stroll along the Thu Ban River and watch the lanterns reflect on the water. Hoi An is also a foodie's paradise. Be sure to try the white rose dumplings, a local delicacy. Journey back in time at My Son Sanctuary, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nestled in a lush valley, My Son was once a major religious center of the Champa Kingdom, which flourished in Vietnam from the 2nd to the 15th centuries. The ruins of My Son are a testament to the architectural prowess of the Cham people. Explore the crumbling temples and towers, adorned with intricate carvings of gods, goddesses, and mythical creatures. Imagine the ceremonies and rituals that once took place in these sacred spaces. Though partially destroyed during the Vietnam War, My Son remains a place of great spiritual significance. As you wander through the ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The jungle has reclaimed much of the site, adding to its mystique. My Son is a place where history and nature intertwine. It's a reminder of the impermanence of civilizations and the enduring power of the human spirit. Get ready for some fun in the sun in Nha Trang, a coastal city renowned for its beautiful beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant nightlife. Whether you're looking to relax on the sand, try your hand at water sports, or sample the local seafood, Nha Trang has something for everyone. Spend your days lounging on Tran Phu Beach, Nha Trang's most popular beach. Go for a swim in the crystal clear waters. Try your hand at surfing, kite surfing, or stand-up paddleboarding. As the sun begins to set, head to one of the beachside bars to enjoy a cold drink and watch the sky erupt in a riot of colors. No trip to Nha Trang is complete without a visit to Vin Pearl Land, an amusement park located on an island just off the coast. Take a cable car ride over the sea to reach the park, which features thrilling rides, a water park, an aquarium, and more. Nha Trang is also a seafood lover's paradise. Be sure to try the bun cha ka, a local specialty consisting of fish cakes, vermicelli noodles, and a flavorful broth. Escape the heat and humidity of the lowlands in Dalat, a charming city nestled in the central highlands of Vietnam. Known as the City of Eternal Spring, Dalat enjoys a cool, pleasant climate year-round, making it a popular destination for both local and foreign tourists. Take a stroll around Xuan Huang Lake, the heart of Dalat. Rent a swan boat and paddle across the lake, enjoying the fresh air and the beautiful scenery. Surrounding the lake are numerous cafes and restaurants where you can relax with a coffee or a meal. Dalat is also a city of flowers, and no trip here is complete without a visit to the Dalat Flower Garden. Home to thousands of different flower species, the garden is a riot of colors and scents. For a unique and quirky experience, visit the Hang Nha Guest House, also known as the Crazy House. Dalat is a breath of fresh air. Experience the rhythm of life on the water in the Mekong Delta, a vast network of rivers, canals, and rice paddies in southern Vietnam. Known as the Rice Bowl of Vietnam, the Mekong Delta is a fertile and productive region that plays a vital role in the country's economy and culture. Take a boat trip along the Mekong River and its tributaries, and witness the daily life of the people who call this region home. See farmers tending to their rice paddies, fishermen casting their nets, and vendors selling their wares from floating markets. The Mekong Delta is a place where life moves at a slower pace. One of the best ways to experience the Mekong Delta is to visit Kai Rang Floating Market, one of the largest and most vibrant floating markets in the region. Here, you'll find boats of all shapes and sizes laden with fruits, vegetables, seafood, and other goods. For a truly immersive experience, spend a night in a homestay in one of the villages in the Mekong Delta. The Mekong Delta will stay with you long after you've left. Escape to paradise on Phu Quoc Island, a tropical island off the coast of southern Vietnam. Known for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush forests, Phu Quoc is the perfect destination for those looking to relax, unwind, and soak up the sun. Spend your days lounging on Long Beach, Phu Quoc's most famous beach. Go for a swim in the turquoise waters. Try your hand at snorkeling or diving and discover the colorful coral reefs and marine life. As the sun begins to set, enjoy a cocktail at one of the beachside bars and watch the sky turn a fiery orange. For a more adventurous experience, hire a motorbike and explore the island's interior. Visit the pepper plantations, where you can learn about the cultivation of this valuable spice. Hike to waterfalls hidden in the rainforest. Discover secluded beaches and hidden coves. Phu Quoc is a nature lover's paradise. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the tranquil waters of Ha Long Bay, from the ancient ruins of My Son to the pristine beaches of Phu Quoc Island, Vietnam offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and embark on an unforgettable journey to Vietnam. Discover the warmth of the people, the richness of the culture, and the beauty of the landscapes. Taste the delicious cuisine, explore